It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and today we're in the maple woods and we're just going to cut a little bit of firewood. Saturday was just frustrating. It was like one mechanical failure after another, and I barely got any wood cut. It's just some days go like that. At the end of the day, we pulled it out of the fire though. We got the old stihl 08S up and running, and I was able to cut just a little bit of wood, so I felt like I actually did something. And this is a long weekend, so we had Monday off, so I thought Monday I'll get out, cut a little bit of wood. So we'll have a chance to run the stihl 08S, just get a few hours on it. It'll be actually really nice to actually use it a little bit more. At the end of the day on Saturday, it was running real good. So I'm super excited about it, and hopefully we can get a little bit of wood cut. And just keep plugging away at it, because before you know it, it's going to start warming up and we're going to have to start tapping and boiling, and you know how that goes. So that's what we're going to do today. We're just going to cut a little bit of wood for the maple syrup. That is one good running saw for sure. Let it warm up a bit. With here, there's a lot of dead ash all through here, so we're just going to cut it, and I'm going to stack it near the path. It's actually not too far from the sugar shack, and ash is a really good wood to boil sap. It just really burns nice. So we're just going to try to clear out all the dead ash that's in here. Triggers. I'll have to work on that. The trigger's still sticking. It was stiff. I lubed it up, but it's still sticking. Man, there's a lot of dead ash in here. Let's see if I can drop this way. I don't know if I can. This is a great spot. They're really close together. Look at this, another one. So this is about 45 minutes of cutting and hauling. I just didn't want to bring the tractor back here. I think I might have been able to fit it in through here, but you know, look at the tractor stuck. Okay, so I got a few more to pick up here and pile, and then that's probably enough for this exact section. We'll just move up farther until we find another section. This area was actually pretty productive. It's kind of funny, you don't see dead trees and then you walk just for a little bit and then another one pops out. Actually, there's quite a few over there. Maybe I should just keep cutting up into the, like that's prickly ash in there. Hey, so I'll finish up. You know what, this year it's been really, really tough trying to get everything juggled so I can actually do the maple syrup, cut the wood, get everything done. Man, it's just been super, super busy. And it almost seems like that's the whole plan, eh? Just keep the masses so busy they can't do anything. Anything of real value anyways, you know, it seems that way. I cut a bit of wood today, so I'm pretty happy with that. This, plus what I did on Saturday, if I get it hauled out, is enough at least for the first boil, so I'm doing good there. If I have a little more time, it wouldn't be very long before I knock the rest off. Even with my good saws down, I think I can do it with the old stihl. Kind of, you know, finish strong, even though it's a little slower. So I think I'm just going to keep using the stihl and plug through, because I only have just a little bit more wood. Then we're good for the maple syrup boiling. So super glad about that. I'll show you how much I got cut. All right, so she doesn't seem like a whole lot, but I had to haul it all the way from over there and there. So really, this plus what I have over there cut should do my first boil for sure with a little extra. So I don't know, there's a bunch of dead ash, like little ones here. Maybe I should just keep cutting and make another pile a little bit farther. Right now it's 1:17. I only have till 2. So I don't have a whole lot of time, but I think I'm gonna cut as much as I can over there. Even if it's just a little bit, every little bit counts. And before you know it, we're gonna have the rest of the wood cut. So this has been a very tough year. I should have had this all cut by now if everything was working good, but you know what? When stuff happens, you just keep plugging through, keep going. That 15-20 minutes, I cut it and dragged it from wherever it fell. You know, it's extra wood. I'm gonna grab the chainsaw. We're gonna walk back. So I just cut this pile, and I'm hoping I can get the tractor back here. It is pretty open. I'm pretty sure I can work its way back so I don't have to carry it. Okay. It's a little farther from the trail than I thought, but anyways. Okay, so then between this and the other pile, I think that's doing good. We just got to get it to the sugar shack. But that is another day. You guys have a good one.